Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Real Life. I'm Ray.
And I'm Mia. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we're going to have a very natural conversation about something we all do every single day.
That's right. We're going to talk about our day. You know, the little things we do from morning to night.
Yeah, and we're going to use really simple English, so don't worry if you're just starting to learn.
Exactly. We'll speak slowly and clearly, and we'll talk just like real friends talk.
So grab a cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's start.
Let's do it.
So Mia, how was your morning today?
Oh, pretty good. I woke up around 7 o'clock. I always set my alarm for 7, but honestly, I hit the snooze button like 3 times.
3 times? That's a lot.
I know. I'm not a morning person at all. What are you? Are you a morning person?
Me? Oh yeah, I love mornings. I usually wake up at 6, sometimes even 5:30.
5:30? Wow, that's so early. Do you just jump out of bed?
Well, not exactly jump, but I feel good in the morning. I like the quiet time, you know? The house is peaceful, no noise.
That sounds nice. I wish I could be like that. But when I wake up, I just want to stay in bed a little longer.
I understand. So what's the first thing you do when you finally get up?
The very first thing, I check my phone. I know, people say that's bad, but I do it anyway.
Hey, no judgment here. A lot of people do that. What do you check? Messages? Social media?
Usually messages first. I want to see if anyone texted me or emailed me. Then I look at the weather. I always check the weather because I need to know what to wear.
Oh, that's smart. The weather is important, especially in the morning.
Right. Like today, it's a little cold outside, so I wore a sweater. What about you? What's the first thing you do?
Well, I don't check my phone right away. I try to wait a little bit. The first thing I do is I drink water, a big glass of water.
Really? Before coffee?
Yes, before coffee. I read somewhere that drinking water in the morning is really good for you. It wakes up your body.
Interesting. I never thought about that. I always go straight to coffee.
Oh, I love coffee too, don't worry. I drink coffee right after the water.
Okay, good, because I can't live without my morning coffee.
Me neither. How do you like your coffee?
I like it with milk and a little bit of sugar. Not too much sugar, just a little. What about you?
I drink it black. No milk, no sugar.
Black coffee? That's strong.
Yeah, I like the taste. It's bitter, but I enjoy it. It really wakes me up.
I tried black coffee once. It was too strong for me. I need the milk to make it softer.
That's totally fine. Everyone likes their coffee different. So after coffee, what do you do?
After coffee, I usually take a shower. I can't start my day without a shower. It makes me feel fresh and clean.
Same here. I take a shower every morning too. Hot shower or cold shower?
Oh, definitely hot. I love hot showers. They're so relaxing. Cold showers? No way.
I actually take cold showers sometimes.
What? Really? Why?
It's supposed to be good for you. It wakes you up really fast, and it's good for your skin and hair.
Maybe it's good for you, but I could never do that. I would be too cold.
Yeah, it takes some getting used to, but hot showers are great too. They help you relax.
Exactly. After my hot shower, I get dressed and do my hair and makeup.
How long does that take you?
Maybe 30 minutes or so. Sometimes longer if I'm trying something new with my hair.
That's not too bad. I get ready pretty fast, maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes? For everything?
Yeah, I just put on clothes, brush my teeth, comb my hair, done.
That's so fast. I wish I could be that quick, but I like to take my time in the morning.
That's good too. There's no rush. So what do you do for breakfast?
Breakfast is important to me. I always eat something. Usually I have toast with butter and jam, or sometimes cereal with milk.
Nice. I love toast. What kind of jam do you like?
Strawberry jam is my favorite. It's sweet and delicious. Do you eat breakfast every day?
I try to. My breakfast is usually pretty simple. I make eggs and toast. Sometimes I add some fruit, like a banana or an apple.
That sounds healthy. I should eat more fruit in the morning.
Yeah, fruit is good. It gives you energy, and it's quick to eat.
True. So after breakfast, what do you usually do?
Well, it depends on the day. If it's a work day, I go to work. If it's the weekend, I might relax at home or run errands.
Yeah, weekdays are different from weekends, right?
Totally different. On weekdays, everything is more busy, more rushed.
I know what you mean. On workdays, I leave the house around 8:30. I drive to work.
How long is your drive?
About 20 minutes, not too far. Sometimes there's traffic and then it takes longer, maybe 30 minutes.
Traffic can be annoying.
Yes, especially in the morning. Everyone is going to work at the same time.
I know that feeling. I drive to work too. My drive is about 15 minutes. I usually listen to music or a podcast while I drive.
Oh, I love listening to podcasts in the car. What kind of podcasts do you listen to?
I like true crime podcasts and comedy podcasts. Sometimes I listen to news podcasts too.
True crime. That's interesting. I like comedy podcasts. They make me laugh and put me in a good mood.
Yeah, starting the day with a laugh is great. So, what time do you get to work?
Usually around 9 or 9:15. My work starts at 9, but I'm okay if I'm a few minutes late.
A few minutes is fine. My work starts at 8:30, so I try to get there by 8:20.
Do you like your job?
Yeah, I do. I mean, it's not perfect, but I like the people I work with, and the work is interesting most of the time.
That's good. I like my job too. Some days are harder than others, but overall, it's pretty good.
What do you do at work? I mean, what's a typical day like for you?
Well, I work in an office. I do a lot of computer work. Emails, meetings, reports, things like that.
Meetings. Everyone has meetings.
I know. Sometimes I have too many meetings. Like, we could just send an email instead.
That's so true. I have meetings too. Sometimes they're useful, but sometimes, they're just boring.
Exactly. But that's part of work, right? What kind of work do you do?
I work in a small company. I do a little bit of everything. Sales, customer service, planning. It's busy, but I like it.
That sounds interesting. So your days are probably different every day.
Yeah, pretty much. No 2 days are the same. What about lunch? Do you bring lunch from home or buy it?
Oh, good question. I usually bring lunch from home. It's cheaper and healthier.
Smart. What do you bring?
Usually leftovers from dinner, like pasta, rice and chicken, salad, whatever we made the night before.
That's a great idea. I do the same thing. I hate spending money on lunch every day.
Right, restaurant food is expensive. And when you bring your own lunch, you know exactly what you're eating.
True. Do you eat lunch alone or with coworkers?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with coworkers. It depends on how busy the day is. If I have a lot of work, I eat at my desk.
Yeah, I do that sometimes too, but I try to take a real break when I can, just to relax for a little bit.
That's important. Breaks help you recharge. So what time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 o'clock. What about you?
I finish at 5:30, so pretty similar.
And then, what do you do after work?
Well, after work, I'm usually tired. So I drive home, and when I get home, I like to change into comfortable clothes right away.
Yes, me too. The first thing I do is change clothes. I put on sweatpants and a t-shirt.
Same. I can't wait to get out of my work clothes. Then I just relax for a little bit. Maybe I watch TV or scroll through my phone.
That sounds nice. I usually relax too. Sometimes I go for a walk if the weather's nice.
Oh, that's healthy. I should do that more. Do you walk around your neighborhood?
Yeah, just around the neighborhood. It's nice to get outside and move a little after sitting at a desk all day.
That makes sense. I sit at a desk all day too. So after you relax, what do you do for dinner?
Good question. Sometimes I cook, sometimes my partner cooks. We take turns.
That's nice. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like simple food, nothing too complicated. Maybe chicken with vegetables or pasta or tacos. Easy things.
Tacos. I love tacos.
Everyone loves tacos. What about you? Do you cook dinner?
Yeah, I cook most nights. I'm not a great cook, but I try. I make simple things too, like stir fry, sandwiches, soup.
Hey, simple food is good food. As long as it tastes good, that's all that matters.
Exactly. And I like cooking because it's relaxing. I put on some music and just cook.
That sounds peaceful. What time do you usually eat dinner?
Around 6:30 or 7, not too late. What about you?
About the same, 6:30, maybe 7. I don't like eating too late because then I can't sleep well.
Oh, yeah, I've heard that. Eating late can make it hard to sleep.
Right. So after dinner, what do you do?
After dinner, I usually clean up the kitchen first, wash the dishes, put things away.
Yeah, I do that too. I don't like leaving dirty dishes overnight.
Me neither. It's better to just clean everything right away. Then, after that, I have some free time.
Free time is the best part of the day. What do you do with your free time?
Oh, lots of things. Sometimes I watch Netflix or YouTube. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I just talk with my family or friends.
That all sounds great. I love watching shows at night. It helps me unwind.
Same. What kind of shows do you watch?
I like comedies and dramas. Right now, I'm watching this funny show about a group of friends. It makes me laugh every episode.
That sounds fun. I'm watching a crime drama right now. It's so intense. Every episode ends with a cliffhanger.
Those shows are addictive. You always want to watch just one more episode.
Yes. Sometimes I stay up too late because I can't stop watching.
I've done that before too. Then the next morning, I'm so tired.
Exactly. But it's worth it. So what time do you usually go to bed?
I try to go to bed around 10 or 10:30. I need about 8 hours of sleep.
That's a good bedtime. I go to bed around 11 or 11:30. I know I should go earlier, but I'm a night person.
Hey, everyone's different. Some people are morning people, some people are night people.
True. So before bed, do you have any routines?
Yeah, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I read for a little bit, maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
Oh, reading before bed is nice. I should do that more. I usually just check my phone one last time.
The phone again.
I know. It's a bad habit, but I like to check if anyone messaged me.
I understand. A lot of people do that. But reading is nice because it helps your brain relax.
That's a good point. Maybe I'll try reading before bed instead of looking at my phone.
You should. It might help you sleep better too.
Yeah, I've heard that the phone light can keep you awake.
Exactly. The blue light from the screen, it's not good before sleep.
Okay, you've convinced me. I'll try reading instead.
Great. So that's pretty much your whole day, right? From morning to night?
Yeah, wake up, get ready, work, come home, relax, eat, and sleep. And then do it all again the next day.
That's life. It sounds simple when you say it like that.
It is pretty simple, but every day is a little different too. Like on weekends, everything changes.
Oh yeah, weekends are totally different. What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I sleep in. I don't set an alarm, I just wake up naturally.
That sounds amazing.
It is. I usually wake up around 9 or even 10 on weekends. Then I have a slow, relaxing morning.
That sounds perfect. I try to wake up a little later on weekends too, but my body is used to waking up early, so I usually wake up at 7 even on Saturday and Sunday.
Really? Even without an alarm?
Yeah, my body just wakes up at that time now. It's like an automatic alarm clock.
Wow, I wish I had that problem. So what do you do on weekend mornings?
I like to make a big breakfast, like pancakes, eggs, bacon, all the good stuff.
That sounds delicious. I love a big breakfast on weekends.
Yeah, during the week, breakfast is quick, but on weekends, you can take your time and really enjoy it.
Exactly. Then after breakfast, I might go shopping, meet friends, or just stay home and relax.
That sounds nice. I like to do errands on Saturday. Things like grocery shopping, cleaning the house, laundry.
Oh yes, laundry. I always do laundry on the weekend.
Everyone does laundry on the weekend. Then Sunday is more relaxing for me. Maybe I watch sports or go out for lunch.
That sounds like a nice balance. Work on Saturday, relax on Sunday.
Yeah, and then Monday comes and it all starts again.
The cycle continues.
It's interesting. When you talk about your day like this, you realize how much you actually do.
Right. Sometimes days feel boring or repetitive, but when you really think about it, there's a lot happening.
Exactly. Every little thing counts, from the morning coffee to the evening TV show.
And I think talking about your day is a great way to practice English too.
Oh yeah, these are all things we do every single day, so you use these words and phrases all the time.
Right. Words like wake up, get ready, go to work, come home, relax, these are super useful.
And it's easy to talk about because everyone has a day, everyone has a routine.
Exactly. So if you're learning English, try talking about your day. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Right, just describe what you do. Start simple. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to work, then add more details when you feel comfortable.
Yes, and you can practice with a friend or even just talk to yourself.
Talking to yourself is actually a great way to practice.
It is. I do it sometimes when I'm learning something new. It helps.
So, everyone watching, we hope this conversation was helpful for you.
Yes, we tried to use simple English and talk naturally, like real friends.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel, English in Real Life, for more conversations like this.
We make videos to help you learn English in a fun and natural way.
That's right. No boring grammar lessons, just real conversations.
Well, grammar is important too, but we like to keep it fun.
True. Okay, so leave a comment and tell us about your day.
Yeah, we want to hear from you. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do after work?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading them.
And if you have any questions about English or any topics you want us to talk about, let us know.
We're here to help.
All right, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Or night, depending on where you are.
Yes. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.